Selecting the right tape cuts costs, makes packing faster and reduces damage. So when do we select solvent? Well, solvent is the premium of all tapes. It is the tape that sticks the strongest and sticks the longest. And if you've got any doubts and worries, then you'll select solvent. But primarily, if you're packing stuff into cold store, then you want to select solvent because you know it's going to stick. Despite the cold and moisture content, it will always stick and hold the product down. So great for cold store applications. If you've got heavy weight, so this is a printer's box, they're always heavy and you're anxious, select the solvent. You know it will hold and it will do the job. If you're packing old or crumpled boxes which are dirty and dusty, don't use the acrylic or the fast tack, go for the solvent. It will seal regardless. And finally, if you've got multiple use items, you might be packing cardboard boxes, you might be using polythene. Acrylic and fast tack don't always stick with polythene, but your trusted solvent sticks to everything and anything.